Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, speakers, M.2 solid-state drives, thermal module, DC-in module, motherboard, CU plate, and display panel assembly. Removal. Remove the right and left copper foil covers from the top cover. Disconnect the two display panel cables from the display support board ribbon cable. Remove the display support board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the display panel. Important: the display panel is held in place by 6 strips of stretch-release tape. Each tape strip has a plastic pull tab attached to one end, and each one needs to be removed in the specific order shown. One at a time, grab the pull tab of each strip of tape and carefully wrap it around the end of a cylindrical tool such as a screwdriver. Slowly twist the tool to release the tape. Continue twisting until the entire strip has been removed. Important: if the stretch-release tape strips are pulled too quickly or at an extreme angle, they will break before releasing the display panel. Note: the removed stretch-release tape is not reusable. Remove the remaining stretch-release tape strips in a similar manner. Turn the top cover over. Carefully press the bottom side of the display panel to release it from the top cover. Remove the display panel from the top cover. Remove any remaining adhesive from the top cover and display panel. Important: please refer to the maintenance and service guide for instructions on replacing the display panel. The stretch-release tape strips that secure the display panel to the display enclosure must be placed in a specific orientation.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.